Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance update, just a quick update, just the daily update that we do of the account so we can check how the challenge is going. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go straight over to those accounts. So here's a nice coin that we had. ChainX had a nice little pump, initial pump up, bull flag consolidation, and then continuation. Just as you like to see. I'm out of this coin now and reinvested in some others. But what I will say is the other coins are not doing as well on this account, so we pretty much got saved by that coin, even though we are still down a bit compared to what we were at yesterday. But we will just work out what we're at now. 0.671. And we'll add that to the Binance one, which is, I think it's down a little bit as well from yesterday, but we'll find out in a sec. 0.9, we'll call this 0.92929. So yeah, 1.6. So basically we're 60% up still. So I think we got up to 67%, 2/3. But yeah, we lost a few percent. So, but still 1.6. I'm still pleased with that. Still good progress. Obviously, that's with Bitcoin being basically at, we'll call it 12,000, which is relatively its high. So if you've got 1.6 Bitcoin and that Bitcoin been at 12,000 instead of 9,000, remember guys, when we started the challenge around 9,000. So that's a lot of fiat. That's a lot of fiat. Fiat federal fund tokens that we're up. Over to 3commas. 3commas is doing its thing. Got a few trades on it. It actually got out. It actually got flat. It got out all the trades the other day. As in yesterday. But yeah, total here, extra profit. Today's profit, and we've got a couple of trades going on here as well. A couple of take profit trades going on here as well. So yeah, 3commas is doing its thing also. So yeah, that's it guys, really just a quick update. 1.6, so we're at 60% up, so 40 more percent to go. Come on, we can do this guys. And yeah, so remember, not a financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on for the Bitcoin evening update.